Hey guys, Brendan from Ronan Brothers Performance. Gonna take a minute to talk to you about something that you're probably thinking about if you got one of these C8 Corvettes, in this case a Z06, and you gotta pick it up off the ground. Now, whether it's to take the wheels off to lower it, or whether it's just to do maintenance on it, at some point this thing's gotta go off the ground. We've all seen the videos that have taken place with different shops putting the lifts in the wrong position and the damage that can take place to the cars. So what I wanted to talk to you about was this and this. Now, these are your two main options that you're gonna have when you're gonna go to lift. Now, this is a very cheap rubber spacer, right, lift point puck that'll go underneath the vehicle at the spots designated by the manufacturers for this vehicle to lift off the ground. If you are working on a bunch of different cars, this is a valuable tool to have in the garage. But let's say you own the car and you wanna make sure that mistakes aren't made. Well, Paragon, right, these guys, and they don't sponsor me or anything, but they make a puck system that you bolt on permanently to the vehicle. So that way, from this point forward, anybody that can read English can figure out exactly where they need to place the lift points. These are pretty good. You have other options though. The difference between this system and the system you find on Amazon, very, very little. I think the only thing I would recommend changing out on the Amazon one is the hardware though. I would do a good stainless bolt that's not gonna fail or degrade, and then I always use Loctite on these whenever they're gonna be permanent structures. Now the Paragon kit comes with an additional spacer so you can use it just like these and take them off every single time. But most of us that are running C8s, we permanently install them. So hopefully this helps you. On this video, I'm gonna have a couple pictures identifying the location that you need to drop these in, because there is a couple cutouts underneath this car that can make it confusing, especially on your first time. And hopefully this saves somebody from the pain of well, watching a prized possession turn into yard art. So thanks for checking us out. Stay tuned for more content. Thanks, guys.